Welcome to the first session of the course. The topic name is Introduction to Amazon Web Services. That is unveiling the power of Amazon Web Services, a comprehensive discussion we need to talk here. So, welcome to the realm of cloud computing, where Amazon Web Services stands tall as a pioneer and reshaping the digital landscape. As part of the introduction part lecture, we embark on a journey to unravel the intricacies of AWS and starting with an exploration of its fundamental aspects in first module, that is Introduction to Amazon Web Services. The AWS advantage, that is unleashing a world of possibilities. The Amazon Web Services is a cloud computing platform that is provided by Amazon, that offering a wide array of services that empower businesses and individuals to scale, innovate, and to thrive in the digital era. So as we delve into the AWS universe, let's begin by summarizing the myriad benefits it brings to the table here. The first point we need to talk about is scalability and flexibility. One of the hallmark features of AWS is its unparalleled scalability. Whether you are a startup with a modest computing that needs or a multinational corporation that handling massive workloads, AWS that allows you to scale your resources up or down based on demand. This flexibility ensures that you only pay for the resource you use and optimizing cost efficiency too. Second will be a global reach. So AWS that boasts a global network of data centers strategically located in different regions around the world. This expansive infrastructure that enables businesses to deploy applications and services that are closer to their end users and reducing a latency and improving the overall user experience we can get. The third point will be on a security at the forefront. Security is a very important paramount in the digital landscape, and AWS that takes these respects seriously. The robust set of tools and features, including like identity and access management, encryption, and the compliance certifications. AWS provides a secure environment for your data and applications too. Fourth will be on a cost efficiency. The traditional infrastructure that often involves a significant upfront cost and ongoing maintenance expenses. AWS, on the other hand, we can say it operates on a pay-as-you-go model that allowing to pay only for the resources you consume. And this cost-effective approach that makes AWS an attractive option for businesses of all sizes. Fifth will be on innovative services. AWS offers a vast portfolio of services, and it's ranging from a computing power and storage to artificial intelligence and machine learning. So whether you are looking to build a simple website, run a complex analytics, or deploy advanced AI model, like artificial intelligence models, AWS has a service tailored to meet your needs. Understand? Final point will be on reliability and high availability. AWS is designed with reliability in mind, and this platform's global infrastructure and redundancy mechanisms that ensure a high availability, minimizing downtime and ensuring that your applications remain accessible even in the face of unexpected events. So in a nutshell, as we wrap up this overview of AWS benefits, it's evident that Amazon Web Services is not merely a cloud computing platform. It's a catalyst for innovation, a driver of efficiency, and a guardian of a security, everything. Whether you are a seasoned enterprise or a ongoing startup, the scalability, global reach, security features, cost efficiency, innovative services, and reliability of AWS that make it is a powerhouse in the world of a cloud computing. So just to stay tuned for the upcoming modules where we will dive deeper into specific aspects of AWS and exploring the services that make it a go-to solution for businesses worldwide. And this journey into a cloud has just begun, and AWS is leading the way. The next part, we need to talk about the navigating the cloud, that is on-demand delivery versus cloud deployments in Amazon Web Services we have to discuss now. As I told, in the ever-evolving landscape of technology, businesses are continually seeking innovative solutions to optimize their operations and enhance the scalability. The Amazon Web Services, a cloud computing powerhouse, it offers a range of services that cater to diverse business needs. In this lecture level, we will delve into the nuances of on-demand delivery and cloud deployments within the realm of AWS, and it's exploring their differences and understanding when each approach is most beneficial. So what are the points we need to talk here? Starting from the understanding on-demand delivery. Actually, on-demand delivery is an important concept that it revolves around the competitive provision of computing resources whenever they are needed. It operates a on pay as you go model and that allowing businesses to access computing power and storage and other services without the need for long-term commitments. AWS on-demand services are designed to be very flexible, cost-effective, and responsive to varying workloads. So, what are the key characteristics of on-demand delivery in AWS? Starting from the instantaneous provisioning. On-demand resources that are provisioned in real time that enabling a businesses to quickly adapt to changing demands without the need for manual intervention. Second will be on a cost efficiency. So with the pay-as-you-go model, users only pay for the resources they consume, that making it a cost-efficient option for businesses with the fluctuating workloads. Third will be on a scalability. The on-demand services are inherently scalable. It's allowing businesses to easily scale up or down based on their current needs. The next will be an understanding of cloud deployments. Cloud deployments, on the other hand, we can say it involves the strategic placement of applications, services, or entire infrastructures on a cloud platforms such as like AWS. Cloud deployments that offer a spectrum of options ranging from infrastructure as a service, a platform as a service, and a software as a service. So AWS that provides a comprehensive suite of deployment options to accommodate the diverse business requirements. So what are the key characteristics of a cloud deployments in AWS? Starting from the diverse deployment models. AWS supports various deployment models, including like a public, private, and hybrid clouds. It's providing businesses with the flexibility to choose the most suitable approach for their needs. According to the resource management, the cloud deployments in AWS, it allows for efficient resource management. It's enabling businesses to optimize cost, enhance performance, and improve overall operational efficiency. Third will be on a global reach. As I told, AWS has a vast global infrastructure. It's allowing businesses to deploy their applications and services in multiple regions and ensuring a low latency access for users worldwide. So is there any differences between on-demand delivery and the cloud deployments? We need to talk about important of 3 points, then we'll go for a conclusion level. According to the granularity of a control, the on-demand delivery that is provides a granular control over individual resources. It's allowing businesses to scale a specific components as needed. In contrast, we can say cloud deployments, it's offer a broader spectrum of a control over entire infrastructures. Second will be on a cost structure. So on-demand delivery that follows a pay-as-you-go model, which is ideal for businesses with a variable workloads. Like a cloud deployments may involve upfront cost for an infrastructure that the planning, but can offer a long-term cost savings for stable workloads. Third will be on a flexibility. Like on-demand delivery is a highly flexible and it's enabling businesses to quickly and adapt to changing demands there. So cloud deployments, while flexible, it may require a more planning and management process. It's like especially in a complex architectures we can focus now. So in a short nutshell, we can focus in the dynamic landscape of a cloud computing, understanding the differences between on-demand delivery and the cloud deployments. Actually, it's a very crucial for businesses seeking optimal solutions on AWS, whether aiming for instant resource provisioning with on-demand services or strategically deploying entire infrastructure on the cloud. AWS provides a versatile ecosystem and that encompasses the businesses to thrive in the digital era. Understand? So by carefully considering the specific requirements of their workloads, businesses can leverage AWS to unlock unprecedented efficiency, scalability, and innovation in their operations. Okay, the next will be on navigating the cloud, demystifying AWS pay-as-you-go pricing. In the fast-paced world of cloud computing, Amazon Web Services that stands as a leader. It's providing a comprehensive suite of services that empower businesses to scale, innovate, and transform. And among the many facets of AWS that makes it a preferred choice for organizations worldwide, the pay-as-you-go pricing model is a very important key highlight here. In this lecture level, we will delve into the intricacies of AWS pay-as-you-go pricing and demystifying its components and highlighting its advantages. The first point we need to talk about the understanding of pay-as-you-go pricing. At its core, the pay-as-you-go pricing model is designed to provide users with the flexibility and cost effectiveness. Rather than committing to a fixed upfront cost or long-term contract, users pay only for the resources they consume, and this on-demand approach that allows businesses to scale their infrastructure up or down that based on their needs without being tied to a predefined plan. So what are the key components of AWS pay-as-you-go pricing? Starting from the compute resources. According to the like EC2 instances, AWS Elastic Compute Cloud, that is EC2, that instances from the backbone of many cloud-based applications with the pay-as-you-go pricing. Users are billed based on the type of EC2, that instance, and the duration of which they are used. Second will be an AWS Lambda. For serverless computing, AWS Lambda that charges users for the actual compute time consumed by their code. Second will be a main point, that is a storage process, like Amazon S3, a simple storage services S3. It allows users to store and retrieve any amount of data, like a pay-as-you-go pricing for S3 is based on the amount of data that is stored and the number of requests made. According to the Amazon EBS, that's like Elastic Block Store, its pricing is determined by the volume of data provisioned and the duration of storage. So what of the data transfer we need to concentrate here? The next will be a data transfer. Like AWS charges for a data transfer in and out of its data centers. This includes the data transfer between regions and to the internet. Finally, will be additional services. So beyond the core components, like various AWS services follow the pay-as-you-go model, including like databases. It's like Amazon RDS, and messaging process like Amazon SQS, and the machine learning like Amazon SageMaker. That is some additional services we can focus now. So what are the advantages of AWS pay-as-you-go pricing? Starting from the cost efficiency, paying only for the resources it has been consumed enables businesses to optimize the cost, especially for variable workloads or unpredictable usage patterns. That is also called cost efficiency. According to the scalability, organizations can scale their infrastructure seamlessly without worrying about upfront cost or long-term commitments. This agility is a very crucial in dynamic business environments we can create. Third will be no hidden fees. AWS is paramount about its pricing, and users only pay for the services they use. There are no hidden fees or unexpected charges. Fourth will be a global reach. So with a global network of data centers, AWS that enables businesses to deploy applications close to their end users, that reducing latency and enhancing user experience, all within the pay-as-you-go framework we can focus there. So in a conclusion, we need to say AWS pay-as-you-go pricing model is a game changer in the cloud computing landscape. It aligns with the modern needs of businesses, that it's offering a flexibility, scalability, and cost effectiveness. By understanding the key components and advantages of this pricing model, organizations can leverage AWS to drive innovation and stay competitive in the ever-evolving digital landscape. It's embracing the pay-as-you-go approach. It allows businesses to focus on their core competencies while leaving the complexities of infrastructure management to the cloud experts at AWS. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the introduction part of the lecture part, Introduction to Amazon Web Services. Thank you once again, and thank you all.